Hey everyone! To make these earrings, apply some gold nail paint on a canvas sheet. Let's take few kundans like drop shape kundans, round kundans and square. Start sticking them in the flower shape. Now let's glue the square kundan. Let this dry for some time and cut it out. And put this aside. I have attached a red drop to a pin. Let's glue it to the earring. Add the stud as well. And that's it, you're done. Lastly, glue another paper on the back of the earring base and cover it up using nail paint. They look so cute and adorable and very simple too. You can match them with your outfits like pink, green or any other color. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Meet you in my next video. Until then, happy crafting!